Hi, this is Zak Mir with a special update on the Bulletin Board Heroes, which obviously I publish every day, every morning rather. Just to say that I think it's probably the first time in many years that you can actually say things are looking wonderful, especially in terms of the rises. Obviously, Cloudbreak was up to point 9 pence at best. We're hoping that it'll stay above point 0.7, which was the old resistance from the end of 2023. Oriole also gone up through the roof after its update this morning. It was a bonanza update, and the share price rise has exceeded my previous target there at 0.48. At the moment, trying to work out exactly where the next target may be, but looking as though it could be the line I'm just about to draw now. Obviously, there'll be more updates tomorrow, but heading towards the point 0.7 pence area, that kind of thing, maybe by the end of next month. But like to see the shares hold or close above 0.48 to give us potentially a new leg to the upside. 0.4 looks like it will be the support, even if there is a pullback. New stock to the mix today as well, which has been Cycle. Here we've had a bear trap rebound from below the old June support there around 1.8 pence. Above that, looking for the top of that falling channel there as high as 2.8 pence by the end of next month. Nativo, which was covered here quite a lot in the first iteration of its rally earlier this month, up to 0.8. Looks like it's have a second go now, up the 50-day moving average of 0.35. Looking for 0.8 again, hopefully in coming weeks. Geo exploration, not far now off the second target there, as high as 0.42. So looking for that to get there while we're above the 0.3 pence level. Myler also fantastic in the sense that we've broken above recent resistance around 0.9. Looking for the top of that channel there as high as 1.4 pence. Landor also another one which is perked up with this bear trap rebound from below the July support 2.6. Initially looking for the 200-day moving average of 3.5, but hopefully up to 4.75 pence by the end of next month. And nice to see after a bit of a delay, Rockfire breaking recent resistance through the 0.12 zone. Above that, I've been looking for 0.22 and hoping for that by the end of next month. Obviously, Guardian Metal, absolute flyer, and I'm just happy that I've adjusted the top of that channel there up towards 103. Looking for that target maybe in the first half of September. And obviously, Wishbone Gold as well, another big winner from the lows. I was there from, you can see how many targets there have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean, various targets there. Still looking for 2.1 pence as the best of the targets there over the course of the next few weeks, or in the current rate of progress the next few days. Alien Metals, another stock which has been championed here from near the lows, top of the rising trend channel base at 0.18, and we were looking for 0.28 now, hopefully by the end of next month or sooner than that. And away from the resources, Aptima had that initial target here around the 0.5 pence level, the next one 0.67, and the final one up to 0.9 pence, which was supposed to be by the end of next month, but it looks like it might even get there by the end of this month. So a lot of decent situations there. Finishing off with Sol Gold, which I'm particularly pleased with, just because it seemed rather unlikely as a winner. But here, above the second target there, around 11 pence, looking for up to 18 pence and hoping for that in coming days. So many stocks there, and quite amazing in terms of the rises that we've seen. Finishing off with a new entrant actually to the market, which is First Development. Nice to see, for a change, a company coming to actually going up initially rather than going down. Looking for 11.5 pence again, hopefully in the earlier part of September rather than the later part. That's it for the update. More in the normal way tomorrow morning.